Hey, this is Clicks. So how's your time?
Yeah, things are going good. I just came up from another show as well, so
Where's the show today?
it was in Ashfield, Kent. I'm like currently on a school tour with AO, so we've been like Manchester, Coventry, Slough. So yeah, it's going.
So you're pumped, ready for tonight then?
You're ready, I'm ready.
to go?
I still got that adrenaline in me from the last show, innit? So I'm gonna bring it.
So you're gonna play Shut It Down tonight?
Yeah. yeah, we are. I was gonna keep it as a surprise, but obviously.
I saw the recent live and unplugged version. Sick, it's really good. Yeah. How did it feel to play like with the band?
It was good. It just, you know what it is as well, yeah. Like the original, I've listened to that so many times, and so it kind of gets a bit, you know. So when I done the live version, it was like I can listen to it over and over again. It sounded kind of has a different sound to it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it has a different sound to it. So yeah, man.
Can you tell me like anything about the song, like what it's about?
The song, Shut It Down's really about like partying hard, this, that, and the other, and that's why you say that. Got no drinks and stuff. So yeah, it's just about clubbing really, but in other contexts, it can go with other stuff. For example, in the video, it shows me shutting down one of my shows at the O2 or whatnot. You know what I mean? So yeah, it can just go with like a lot of things.
And can you tell us about like your plans, like in the future, like current plans?
Plans in the future. Well, I've just finished my mixtape. I just finished my mixtape called XX, and you know that's out like 29th of July with my new single called Only If You Want, featuring Jermaine Riley. Jermaine Riley might turn up today. You don't know.
It might do. Okay.
But yeah, so yeah, that's like, both of them are coming out on the 29th. So
29th of this month.
yeah, this month, July, 29th of July.
Good stuff. Good luck with that.